This video is going to go over the sketching function in Profis Layout Office. When I go to the sketching function, I come over here, highlight it to make it active, and I just take my cursor and highlight over the specific point that I want to start my sketch at. So I will just tap here, for instance, and I can now go ahead and tell the distance that I want this thing to move from that first point. So let's say I want to move 10 feet. The line will adjust accordingly, so that's 10 feet. And it always defaults to pointing north on the plan. You can use these arrow pad, this arrow pad, to move it around. You can also type in the angle here that you want to go to the minute and the second. You can also, if you needed to sketch, you can press this, select the direction from the plan. You can say point 1 and then point 2. You can see it automatically goes in that direction. So let's say I wanted to start from here. I'll say the direction I want to go is from here to here, and it just automatically updates that angle. So I hope that helps getting the orientation down. Once you have your orientation set, let me make this smaller so it's easier. Once you have your orientation set, you can then say continue, and it makes points. Like, I'll make a little square here. Done. And now I've made my sketch there. You can sketch it whatever you want. So play around with this. It's pretty easy. The points you want the points you want them to be called, you can type in here. That's where you can name them if you want to name the points. But I hope that helps understand the sketch function and how you can use it for your own work.